Now we head to Prince William County, where murder charges have been dropped against a mother of three. Latoya Crabb was charged in the shooting death of her estranged husband, Curtis Crabb. But now, days before her trial was scheduled to start, prosecutors say an audio recording recently uncovered supports her claim of self-defense. Sarah Robinson explains how we got to this point.
This was a 5-hour audio recording that the judge, prosecutors, and Crabb's attorneys listened to. And I'm told on that recording, you could hear what sounded like Curtis Crabb pulling out a knife in the moments leading up to the shooting. I am also told that this corroborates Latoya Crabb's story from the very beginning, which she says she was only acting in self-defense.
What's on this tape is what she told us happened.
The past 2 years have been long and exhausting for Latoya Crabb and her mother, Marilyn Martin.
She still loved them up until that point.
Crabb was charged with first-degree murder in the shooting death of her estranged husband, Curtis. Their 3 young children were home at the time. But from the beginning, Crabb, her attorneys, and her mother have maintained she acted in self-defense.
She was faced with a situation where she had to save her life and the life of her children.
Martin says her daughter alerted authorities to an audio recording she made to document a conversation between the couple. She says that conversation escalates with verbal and physical threats made by Curtis and ends with the shooting. This week, that recording became central to the case.
The sound that the knife makes when he pulls it out, and it's something right out of a cartoon. It's unmistakable.
Crabb's attorney, David Daugherty, listened to the audio in court. He says he's frustrated it took this long for the recording to become a key piece of evidence. The charges have now been dropped, but the case has not been dismissed. That means the charges could theoretically be brought again.
Even the slightest idea that this could come back is, it makes my stomach hurt.
Prosecutors said that the recording introduces significant evidence that a reasonable jury could interpret as lawful self-defense. The Commonwealth's attorney released a statement that reads in part, quote, "Because this newly available evidence creates a reasonable doubt regarding criminal intent, the Commonwealth cannot ethically proceed with the prosecution at this time." For now, Latoya Crabb's family says she is trying to move forward while still processing everything that has happened.
She has not had a chance to process that trauma.
Now, I did also reach out to Curtis Crabb's family on these charges being dropped, but right now, I have not yet heard back. We'll, of course, update you if that changes. Reporting in Manassas, I'm Sarah Robinson, WUSA 9.